Hey guys, so a naked walked around in a prison. Now it's free time, but yeah, we're naked. Before it wasn't. I was walking around like this. It wasn't even free time. I don't have any weapons, but if anyone does, I'll gladly take it. Oh yeah, good punch. Oh, there we go. Old man in a prison running around naked. I really want to get in trouble with Bean. Let's just go up and attack him. Should we attack him? Why can't I hit him? Frick. Oh no. Let's just get into trouble. Hey! I want to attack the nurse. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, that's been Naked and Escapist. So yeah.